Hello and welcome to video number 2. This is how to join the 100 days campaign on Mattermost if you already have a Mattermost account. First, we're going to look at how to do that on the phone, and then we'll look at how to do that on your computer. So go into the Mattermost app on your phone, and then wherever you are when you first come into the app, either swipe left to right or tap top left, then swipe left to right again, and you'll see the plus sign at the top of the team column on the right. Select that, and 100 days is the first team in the list. Select the team by tapping on it. That will automatically join you to the team and the 5 main channels. When you swipe left to right or tap top left, there you'll be able to see the channels and also the welcome bot message because you've just joined the team for the first time. Then if you swipe left to right again, there is your team column, or tap top left. There is your team column where you can just choose a different team and then go into the channels and the chats in that team. You can see in my channel column, the channels in the 100 days team all have a world symbol next to them to the right. That tells me that they're all public channels. So anybody that's a member of the team can join those channels because they're public. If there was a padlock there, that would mean that it was a private channel and I would have been invited to that channel or added to it by somebody else. So that's how you join the 100 days campaign team on Mattermost. Whilst we're here, if you want to, when you select the plus sign at the top of the team column on the right, you could, if you wanted to, scroll down to the X's and join the XR Global team. That would enable you to be able to speak to anybody across the world in the global team. So I'm going to select that one and join that team. When I swipe left to right, there's my welcome message from XR Global, which I could have a read through and learn how to navigate their team. But it's the same with any team. If you want to have a look at what other channels are available within the team that you can join, obviously they need to be public. If you open up your channel column by swiping left to right or tapping top left, then go to the plus sign to the right of the word channels and tap that plus sign. There you have more channels on the app on your phone. If you were doing this on your computer, it would say browse channels. And I'll be showing you how to do that in a minute. So I tap more channels, and then it brings up all of the public channels in the team. There are hundreds in the XR Global team, so you might want to have a scroll through, but it would take you a while. But you can search for specific channels if somebody's told you the name of it, or you have a specific interest to find out whether a channel exists for that interest. So you might want to get tech support within Global. You can just type in the word tech, and there's the channel. You select the channel to join it, and there I am in the tech channel. If I swipe again, left to right or tap top left, go back to the 100 days team, and then do the same thing again. Swipe left to right or tap top left, then come down to the word channels, which is here, and the plus sign. Again, select more channels, and then I can see what other channels exist within the 100 days campaign team. Maybe you're interested in action design or helping to build relationships with alliances and influencing, or maybe you're a designer or you're good at doing messaging, feedback systems. That's a public place for us to connect with the project team. There's fundraising, absolutely essential. We need lots of fundraisers. And the sticky pathways reception for anybody that wants to help with getting new people involved. And you can join any of those. And because they're public, you can join them, leave them, join them, leave them as many times as you like. These reception channels are where the people who are specifically involved in that area will be able to chat to you about how you can get involved. So please do have a look through them and say hi. And if you do have an interest, let people know so that they can pick you up and get you involved. And that's how you join the 100 Days team on your app, on your phone. And now we're going to have a look at how to do that on your computer. So here's how we join a team when we already have a Mattermost account using your computer. So open up Mattermost, and you can do that by typing the words organize.earth into your address bar of a browser like Chrome or Safari. Sometimes you might need to log in if it's logged you out. And then once it's open, come down to the plus sign in the far left narrow blue column underneath your teams. Click the plus sign, and 100 Days will be the first team on the list. Tap 100 Days. That will join you to the team and all of the channels. And there's the welcome bot message underneath your direct messages and all of the 5 channels that you get joined to automatically. If you ever need to leave a team, you can't do that via the app on your phone. You would have to use a desktop computer and then come to organize.earth, log in, and once you have the team selected, you would then select the drop-down arrow underneath where it's next to where it says 100 days, and make sure you have the correct team selected before you leave the team. You don't want to leave the UK because everybody's in the UK, and if you leave the UK, that sort of disconnects you from the rest of the of members. But here you've got the option to leave the team. That will also remove it from your app on your phone if you do it via your desktop. And that's how you join the team. And then to join public channels within the team, make sure you have the correct team selected, then come across to the plus sign, select that, and browse channels. That will bring up all of the channels that you can join, the public ones that are in the team that you can join. And that applies to any of the teams that you're in. So in the UK, I select the UK team, come across to the plus sign, browse the channels, and there I can search for all of the other groups' reception channels and go and speak to other groups, or I can use the search bar to find a specific channel. And that's it. That's how you do both on the phone and on your computer. Thanks for watching.